Hello, my dear students. Lucas Commerce Academy, the power of accounting, welcomes you. Today, let us discuss bills of exchange continuation part. So far, we have discussed two cases out of four. The first one is when the drawer retains the bill until its due date. Second one, when bill is discounted by the drawer. Now we are going to discuss third case when bill is endorsed. So first let us understand the term endorsement. Endorsement means transfer of bill from one person to another person for settlement of debt. Once again, endorsement means the transfer of bill from one person to another person for settlement of his debt. As the bill is freely transferable from one person to another person, bills of exchange is treated as negotiable instruments or negotiable instrument. Here, the person who transfers the bill is known as endorser, ENDORSER, and the person to whom the bill is endorsed is known as endorsee. On due date, the endorsee will recover the amount from the drawee. If the drawee fails to pay the amount, then the endorsee will recover the amount from the drawer. Okay, so this can be explained by taking one example. Okay, see, on 1st January 2023, on 1st January 2023, Venkatesh sold goods worth rupees 1 lakh to Nagarjuna and drew a bill on Nagarjuna for 3 months. Okay, so here the due date is January 1st to February 1st, March 1st, April 1st, plus 3 days, April 4th. Due date is April 4th, 2023. Then come to Nagarjuna accepted the bill and returned it to Venkatesh. On 1st February, on 1st February 2023, Venkatesh endorsed the bill. Venkatesh. Okay. So on 1st February 2023, Venkatesh endorsed the bill in favor of his creditor Balakrishna. The bill was honored on the due date. Write journal entries in the books of all parties. So here there are three parties. Venkatesh. So Venkatesh is the drawer. Venkatesh is the drawer. Nagarjuna is the drawee. Okay. Nagarjuna is the drawee. Next, Balakrishna is endorsee. Okay. So here three parties. Venkatesh is the drawer, Nagarjuna is the drawee, Balakrishna is the endorsee. Okay. Come to on 1st February 2023, Venkatesh endorsed the bill to Balakrishna. So that means the person who endorsed the bill is known as endorser. So that means here Venkatesh is the drawer as well as endorser. Okay. So here Venkatesh is the drawer and endorser. Nagarjuna is the drawee. Balakrishna is the payee. So now we are going to pass journal entries in the books of all parties. The first one is Venkatesh. So the first two journal entries are common for all cases. That means goods sold to drawee when bills are received from drawee. Okay. So then what are the journal entries are to be passed in the books of Venkatesh? That means a drawer. So goods sold to Nagarjuna. The journal entry for this is Nagarjuna account data to sales account on 1st January 2023. Then on the same date, bills receivable received from Nagarjuna. The journal entry is bills receivable account data to Nagarjuna account. Okay. Then on 1st February 2023, Venkatesh endorsed the bill in favor of his creditor Balakrishna. So that means the bill is endorsed to Balakrishna on 1st February 2023. So the journal entry for this is Balakrishna account data to bills receivable account. Then on its due date, the bill is honored. That means on April 4th, 2023, Nagarjuna paid the amount to the Balakrishna. That means we need not pass any journal entry for this because the payment is made by Nagarjuna to Venkatesh. That means we need not pass journal entry for bill honored in the books of Venkatesh because it is no way relates to us. Okay. So these are the journal entries are passed in the books of Venkatesh. Okay. Once again, goods sold to Nagarjuna, bills receivable received from Nagarjuna. When bill is endorsed to Balakrishna, on due date the bill is honored. Okay. Next come to books of Nagarjuna. The first journal entry, goods purchased from Venkatesh on 1st January 2023. The journal entry is purchases account data to Venkatesh account. On the same date, the bill is accepted by us. The journal entry for this is Venkatesh account data to bills payable account. Next case, when bill is endorsed, no entry in the books of drawee because the bill is endorsed by Venkatesh to Balakrishna. It is no way relates to us. Then and last entry when bill is honored. Usual entry, bills payable account data to cashier bank account. So these are the journal entries are passed in the books of Nagarjuna. So the first one is goods purchased. Second one, bill is accepted. Third one, bill is endorsed. That means no entry. And fourth one, bill is honored. Bills payable account data to cashier bank account. Okay. Then come to books of Balakrishna. That means endorsee. So here we are receiving bills receivable from Venkatesh. The entry for this is bills receivable account data to Venkatesh account. Bills receivable account data to Venkatesh account. Then bill is honored on its due date. Cash or bank account data to bills receivable account. Cash or bank account data to bills receivable account. So these are the two journal entries are passed in the books of Balakrishna. One for bills receivable received and the second one bill is honored. Okay. So these are the journal entries are to be passed in the books of drawer, drawee and endorsee when bill is honored. When bill is honored. In next class, we are going to discuss when bill sent to bank for collection and bill honored in that case. Okay. In next video, we will discuss. Till then, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.